What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Low right here. This little short video right here will be an unboxing and a little product review from Alien Gear holsters. I've been waiting for a couple weeks now. Um, Not gonna take a long time. Let's get right on into it. All right, let's see what we got here. To the side. See what we got. Instructions, cloak, holster, Alien Gear. Let's see. Let's see now. Let's see what came in the packet. Bag, extra screws. Now let's get to the holster. There we go. It's pretty cool. Nice soft fabric. Oh, cool, look. Even got the little Alien Gear on there. I'm right-handed, so I had it custom to pull from my left shoulder. The right-hand side got two magazine carriers. Sturdy, rubbery, with the stretch. Got your belt clips. They're pretty sturdy. Can't bend. Another belt clip on the other end. I like this padding. This padding's pretty good. Alright. Let's try it on. A little adjusting to do. Clips. Oh, clips on the belt. Oh yeah, I got some adjusting to do on these things. Get it in the belt. Comfortable, can move around. Stretch, don't move much. Now let's try it. First thing, gun safety. Unload. Check it's empty. Stick it in the holster. Magazine. Hopefully it don't fall out. Might have to adjust. Oh, perfect fit. There we go. Sealable. Works good. Back. Gotta adjust the tension a little bit on it. But besides that, I think it's pretty good. Fits good. Fits well. Magazines, I gotta adjust that, put that down a little bit. But besides that, I think it works pretty good. Like the color too. Brown. Old school. Alright. See what else we got in here. Bunch of different little screws, tensioners. Put this back down. Alien Gear. That's pretty cool. I think that's gonna go right here. What do you think? I can't see it. What else we got? In here. Oh, cool. thumb holster to hold the back in. If you want it a little looser. Comes with an extra clip in case you want to take the magazines out. You can just clip it on like that. Just have your one pistol. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks now. I finally ordered it. But I think it's pretty cool. Let me see. Sit here. Comfortable. Padding feels good on the shoulders. Padding's under here. I think I'd give this product a 10. I like it. Might, like I said, adjust it a little bit better. But you can move, stretch, without it falling out or actually moving a whole bunch. But I don't know, I think I like it. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think about getting these, I do highly recommend them. They are flexible, comfortable. I'll do another video here next couple of weeks, I guess, when I go to the range and use it to see how actually reliable it is, to make sure it don't wear out easily on where you carry your pistol at. But I hope y'all like this video. It's my first time doing any kind of thing like this, as y'all know. Just let me know if there's any other products that y'all thinking about getting. I'll take a look at them and we'll do another review on it. Hope y'all like this video. Any feedback would be good. Like I said, I'm not a good speaker, as you can tell. But y'all have a great day. And like I said, go check it out. Alien Gear Holsters. And I am not getting sponsored by them or getting paid by them to use their equipment. I just looked all over the place, and this is the ones that I've found that I like. They are American made, so you know, support local businesses, support local stuff made. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all next time.